Gulmit is a charming and picturesque village in the Hunza Valley of Gilgit Baltistan, Pakistan. Situated at an altitude of 2,438 meters, 7,999 feet, above sea level, the village is surrounded by the majestic Himalayan and Karakoram mountain ranges, making it one of the most scenic places in the region. Gulmit is a place to relax, in an environment free from all the worries of life. In Gulmit Hunza, one can spend time walking through the fields and into the mountain passes along the irrigation canals. Gulmit Hunza Valley is known for its rich history and cultural heritage. It was once an important stop on the ancient Silk Road and served as a trading post between China, India, and Central Asia. The village is also home to several historical landmarks, including the Ondra Fort, which dates back to the 16th century. Gulmit is probably the most charming valley in the northern areas of Pakistan and is a trespass of ancient civilizations. The famous Ondra Fort was built some 200 years ago to defend themselves from the possible outside invaders. This spectacular valley is some 140 kilometers from Gilgit and 45 km from Karimabad Hunza Valley, and 136 km from the roof of the world, the famous Kunjarab Pass bordering with China. It's worth of visiting this point, particularly the explorers and nature amateurs. The climate of Gilgit Baltistan is mountainous, naturally, and holding pretty cold temperature in the winter, while the summer are enjoyable enough. Almost all the seasons are remarkable colors. The popular valley filled with natural resources, ultimate beauty of the downhill flowing streams, and the incredibly hospitable people residing within hovering and towering mountains. Life in Gulmit is a harmonious blend of tradition and nature's beauty. Surrounded by towering peaks and lush green meadows, the villagers lead a close-knit, agrarian existence. The pace of life here is unhurried, where the rhythm of the seasons governs daily routines. Agriculture, particularly the cultivation of wheat, barley, and apricots, is the backbone of the local economy.